Welcome everyone to EnglishTeacher.lk. Today, let's learn alternative ways of how we are supposed to respond if someone says thank you to you. කවුරු හරි කෙනෙක් ඔයගලන්ට thank you කිව්වම ඔයගලන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? ඔයගලන් කියන්නේ you're welcome කියලා. දැන් you're welcome කියන එකේ කිසිම වැරද්දක් නැහැ. Right? But the only issue is it's a bit too common. So today, let's learn the alternative ways of how we are going to respond if someone says thank you. So if it's an informal situation, ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා වගේ යාළුවෙක් කතා කරනකොට if someone says thank you ඔයගලන්ට කියන්න පුළුවන් no problem. No problem එහෙම නැත්නම් no problem at all. Or else you can say it's all right. It's all right. Or else you can say no worries. Then if it is a formal situation, so think of a situation where you're going to where you're talking with your boss or your supervisor, then if he says thank you, you can say my pleasure. Then make a S-U-R-E කියලා තිබ්බට sir නෙමෙයි අපි sure කියලා pronounce කරනවා. We say it's my pleasure. Or you can say don't mention it. You can say don't mention it. Or you can say I'm glad to help you. I'm glad to help you. So I hope that you will use them when it comes to your daily conversation. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like කරන්න, comment කරන්න, share කරන්න අමතක කරන්න එපා. I'm Dilmi Paranawitharana from EnglishTeacher.lk.